welcome back guys to another episode of Holy Shit. And in this episode, we'll be talking about one of the most talented and the biggest rapper of India. Aapka Hriday Singh. You don't know who Hriday Singh is? You might know Hriday Singh as Honey Singh. Well, what did you think? His parents named him Honey Singh? I mean, for KRK, we understand that the doctor will come and then he will be, I'm sorry. Aapke पैदा हुआ. Let's check out why did Honey Singh add this yo-yo before honey.
यार दोस्त थे कुछ बाहर तो वो लोग सब स्लैंग यूज करते रहे. यो का मतलब होता है योर्स. जैसे इज दिस यो, तो यो के लिए फिर दो लगाया. इसका मतलब कि यो हनी सिंह मतलब आपका अपना हनी सिंह.
Honey Singh believes that he can bring home the Grammy.
मेरे लिए दुआ करो ग्रैमी ले आऊंगा. भाई साहब कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी.
So let's take a look at some of Honey Singh's most famous songs.
लड़कदा जावे तेरा हाय निकल सूरज सारा उच्ची हट्टी यादा उच्ची हट्टी यादा.
Have you ever heard this tune before this song actually came out?
कोई लड़की देखो मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले उच्ची हट्टी यादा उच्ची हट्टी यादा. लड़कदा जावे तेरा हाय निकल सूरज सारा ओले 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 ओले.
Well, if Honey Singh wants to win the Grammy, then his songs have to be of international levels. He gets these international music compositions which have already been created before and then gets inspired and then uses them in his songs. And his latest song for Bhai's awesome movie Kick. ठीक है ना भाई, अब खुश है ना? The movie Kick has Honey Singh's new song. So have we ever heard this tune before in our lives? No? His videos are also of international levels because he takes the videos as it is and he copies them. He takes the video frame by frame, he copies. He even puts the exact same kind of girl at the background. Czech Republic की मस्त पटाखा माल पीछे खड़ा है, वही नाच रहा है, सामान बढ़िया. And in front he has these Brazilian tanned women standing there in shorter mini skirts. The only difference is one Punjabi singer with some stub and two balis, and Honey Singh with alligator hairstyle. And to all of you who are wondering how come Honey Singh is wearing these black sunglasses everywhere. So he's driving around the city and he spots a woman with blue eyes 500 meters away from him. So don't think that he's dumb. He is with the latest sunglasses technology in this world. That is why he's not removing his sunglasses wherever he goes. They have doorbin and freaking cameras and everything in them, And all of his songs are like public-oriented songs. I mean, if you listen to this song carefully, don't you think that it is more of a sabzi wala oriented song? This song is perfect for the Murgi Pagdo profession.
इसे कहते हैं हिप हॉप इसे कहते हैं हिप हॉप बेटे इसे कहते हैं.
No, don't you think that this is perfect for that kabadi wala when he's picking up these vodka bottles?
चार बोतल वोदका काम मेरा रोज का, ना मुझको कोई रोके ना किसी ने रोका.
Pakistan came out with their own Honey Singh, and they came out with a Pakistani version of Honey Singh's Blue Hai Pani Pani.
तो जाने 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 हम दोनों जो मिले तो बनी प्रेम कहानी.
तू ही यार मेरा प्यार तेरे दम से बहार, तेरे प्यार से ही सजी यादा मेरी ये जवानी.
All those of you who wonder that Honey Singh always composes these songs about women, if we look at all the qualities that Honey Singh has described in every song he has produced till date, we come up with the ideal Honey Singh girl. So we at Holy Shit believe that this is the ideal Honey Singh girl.
कुड़ियां नी तेरे